Hey superhero coder, ready to power up your Iron Man kit and bring your inventions to life? Let's set up your gear in 7 simple steps. Get your USB cable, your laptop, and your excitement. We're diving in. Step 1. Download the CYE Code Uploader, your mission control app. If your browser gives a warning, don't worry. The file is 100% safe. Just click the arrow next to the message and choose Keep. And then click on Show More and select Keep Anyway. Step 2. Connect the Iron Man kit. Time to connect your Iron Man suit. Use the USB-C cable to connect your laptop and your Iron Man board. Step 3. Install the software. Now let's install the Uploader app. Right-click the setup file and select Run as Administrator, and now install the application by clicking on Install button. Step 4. Open the app. Ready to launch your application? Right-click and choose Run as Administrator one more time. If you see a black compiler window for coding, congratulations, your application opens successfully. Step 5. Select the correct port. Let's get your app talking to your kit. Select the port that looks like ending with W, C, H. That's your Iron Man's secret signal channel. If it doesn't show up, unplug and replug your kit. Step 6. Upload your first code. It's coding time. Click on Learning Sessions button. It will open your learning curriculum page. Scroll down and check out the first class. Simply copy-paste or directly click on Start Coding button. Now check the port connected and then click on Compile and Upload button. Then your code start uploading in Iron Man device. Wait for few seconds. And boom. If you see Upload Completed message, you just upload your superhero program successfully. Step 7. Need help with your kit? Need backup? Our support squad is online. Just ping us, message us or mail us. Click to support form, fill the form, ask questions, or get help from our tech team. You are officially on your superhero coding journey with CYE. Now dive into further classes. Explore sensors, play with lights, and master the art of tech wizardry.